In this video, I'll show you how to connect your wireless mouse to your MacBook Air M4. Wireless mouse comes in two different kinds. Some of them are Bluetooth and some of them are connecting using a USB dongle. And like this one, it does both of them. So I'll show you those two options, how they work. If you want to connect a Bluetooth mouse, simply turn on your mouse and put it in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now it depends on which model you have. This is a Logitech mouse that I recommend, by the way. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one. And here there is a button. Simply by pressing it, okay, like this until the light blinks quickly, it's in pairing mode. So now on the Mac, where you need to go is on the top left corner on the Mac icon, on the Apple logo. Then select System Settings. Over here, you're going to see on the left side Bluetooth on the top of the list. And then you're going to see Nearby Devices, and under it, you're going to see your mouse. This is my model, Logitech M650. Simply click Connect. Wait a few seconds, and it will be connected. You can see here, and the battery level will be displayed. You can go ahead and use your mouse. You see, it works. And if you want to change a few different settings to make it more comfortable, on this left side menu, you simply need to go down until you see mouse, click on it, and you'll have a few different options like tracking speed. So how fast do you want the mouse cursor to go? If you want to go faster, simply drag this towards the right side. You have natural scrolling. And then you have other options that most people will just leave them the way they are. Once you're done using the mouse, you don't have to disconnect it on the screen. Simply turn it off using the switch on it and it will disconnect it. And next time you want to use it, simply by turning it on the mouse, it will reactivate. You don't have to pair it every time. Now, if your mouse is using one of these USB dongles, you see, you'll have to connect it to the computer. Unfortunately, this is USB Type A. The MacBook Air M4 only comes with two USB Type C ports. So what we need is an adapter to connect it. There are many adapters available on the market. The important thing is that you need an adapter that is not only made for charging, but also to transfer data. It's called OTG. If you see OTG in the name, it means it will work for this purpose. There's some small adapters like this one, and there's also like that one. This is made by Apple. It's the official one, so I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one of these. You simply need to connect the dongle over here, and the other end, since it's USB Type C, it's connecting quickly and like that on the side of the laptop. And now once you've done this, you're gonna get a small message on the screen, allow accessory to connect. Simply press allow. Here press continue. If you see this, it thinks it's a keyboard. Obviously it's not a keyboard, so we can even close it. And just like that, don't forget to turn on your mouse and to put it in USB dongle mode, because this mouse was in Bluetooth mode, and it will work right away. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.